Hello and welcome to this mini tutorial where we will break down and then build back up the pronunciation of the word curious. So here's the phonemic script taken from the Cambridge Online Dictionary. So what we're thinking about here is standard British English, and we'll break it down. We'll have a look at the components of curious. So first of all, the blue mark on the left shows us that the first syllable is stressed in this word. So the strongest part of the word is cure. And then we've got two dots which tell us that in total, as you can see, hopefully, there are 3 syllables in this word, 3 chunks of sounds. So looking at the first combination of sounds then, we've got the q. There's a k and a y together, q. Then we have the vowel sound, So that syllable, that strong syllable together at the beginning, blended all in, becomes cure, cure. Then we've got re. Now with the r, you need to kind of push your lips forward a little and curl the tongue back. So with the vowel, it becomes re. And then we've got the weak schwa vowel at the end and the hissy sort of s sound, and together that becomes us. So putting it all together, curious. Repeat after me, curious. There it is in writing, curious. Good work today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share if you found this useful. Thanks for watching and have a great day.